we're gonna work on this stanchion here. There's a leak coming down and it's very wobbly. So we're gonna take it off and 4,000 it up, and hopefully that stops our leak. Right, here's the gross thing. Ew. So this is the vent from the stanchion that's leaking, and it's one of those bolts there. It's doing
this
it.
back one. What we're gonna redo them all, but it's the one up in here.
Yeah. We got our wrench and working in a team, and we got the fastener situation sorted. So all of these guys came off, but it required teamwork. One person on top and one person below deck. And there's a lot of silicone to clean up before we move on. Ooh, it's dirty under there.
Oh, there's that vent. It's gotta come off.
So we have to detach that in order to pull this up.
It's a vented stanchion, so there's a vent that goes into the water supply, so it can, pump water. It's gotta come off. Just squirt shit in there and squish it on.
Yeah.
Call it good.
I'm just thinking we could probably do that without having to remove it.
I just tried to pull it up. I can't.
Okay.
It's easy.
All right.
It's one screw. It's a hose clamp, so
okay.
It'll be super easy. Connect. This is that vent. This is a vent to the 2 different water tanks, and it's a vented stanchion. So this goes into the bottom of the stanchion where it was leaking. This is where the water was coming in.
And it's really moldy and gross.
Since we're disconnecting it, we're gonna just replace this one moldy, gross line, and then we'll just deal with these ones later. So this goes to here. This is where it's leaking. It's just old silicone. We're gonna clean all this crap up and put some 4,000 in there. Reattach it, and then
I think we should just leave it like that. It'll be really effective.
That's what all the cool kids are doing. Watch back.
Installation is complete, and just cleaning up the mess.
Cleaning up the 4,000 that we put in there to seal it.
Right, here's the gross thing. Ew, why would you put that anywhere near your
No,
mouth?
I didn't.
Okay, you tricked me.
Yeah.